Yo, my dudes, welcome. So, I had to remove my OEM seat to put the comfort seat on. Well, then I decided to remove the comfort seat to switch it to a different Ryker, and now I had to reinstall my OEM seat. And this thing was a pain in the ass. I wasted hours just trying to get it back on without lifting the clamshell of the bike. Well, I ended up lifting the clamshell of the bike. Pretty easy. I should have just done that from the beginning. Here's a little video of some visual of how to get it going. So here we have already removed the pegs, and I had already started to get the seat back on when I realized there actually wasn't any videos online for this. So I figured I better give people a little heads up on what to expect. So as you can see, I got those first two in already, and here you're going to see me do the next two. And essentially what's happening is I am taking a little mini screwdriver and I'm just kind of sticking it in between the cracks and pulling the rubber out slowly because these rubber pegs can tear. Now some people do use big medium-sized paper clips. They attach them, pull it through, let them go, and boom, you can do it like that too. I didn't have any available. I had this little screwdriver, so I used what I had. So after I got that third one done, I went over here to the fourth one on the front right side of the bike, and I just did the same thing. Put in my little mini screwdriver and started pulling out the sides slowly. You don't want to go fast because you don't want to tear it. Now, how do you get the shell of the bike open? Well, there's videos online. The one I use is the BLR tuning from Bill Ramsayer. He has the one for his cold air intake, and that's how I learned how to open the clamshell, but there's more, and that's it. Boom, all four are through. Then you drop the bike back down, and then you're going to reinsert the screws underneath. There's a few screws that go there that secure that part of the bike to the frame. Then you just start putting your bike back together, and then you're done. So if you got any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Please make sure you like and subscribe if possible. And I hope that this was informative and gave you a little bit more insight on how to get that OEM seat back on the Ryker. Peace out.
This is Gold Leader. We're starting our attack run.
This is where I just let the video go till the 3-minute mark because YouTube likes it more when the videos are 3 minutes. So feel free to check out a different video that I have. Have a good one. Ride safe, everyone.